Hi guys, this is Angelica here at VIVA GLAM magazine. Today I'll be showing you a hairstyle for music events. So if you guys are going to Coachella or Burning Man, I will be showing you a really cool hairstyle. Let's get started. Here I have my friend Katarina, and I'm going to start showing you guys what to do. We're going to section off the hair into the center, lifting the crown section. I'm gonna clip this, and this will be probably one of the last steps to use. We're gonna do the sides with braids, so we're gonna start in the front with the French braid. We stop halfway, then we clip the hair. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side. After you have created two braids, French braids, on each side of the head, after that you clip them, and then we are going to add some hair extensions to the back of the hair to create long fishtails. So we're going to tease the top that I had selected, and we're going to tease the top, creating like a faux hawk. You need a teasing comb. Hairspray. Sometimes these events, the weather has a lot of play to do with the hair, so you want to make sure you secure your hair, because like the Burning Man, for example, has a lot of, it's in the desert and there's a lot of air blowing, and so you want to make sure that your hair stays in place. So I like to secure it with, bobby pins. You don't want to put too many, but you just kind of want to like hide them in there, but kind of secure the updo. A lot of hairspray, and teasing helps. So let's show the front. Remember, the bigger the better, because it will come down as you're dancing and having fun. So don't be afraid to tease. Spray it a lot with hairspray. And then in the back, try to grab the sides that come down and try to kind of form a braid that's going to go into the back into another braid. When you're securing it, you could always braid it and pin it down with bobby pins to secure the top from falling down or from going flat. So then you section to the center with the extensions that are in. So you want to make sure that if the side French braid is getting loose, tighten it up. You want a really cool hairdo that people will want to stop you and check out your hairdo. So after you braid to the middle, then you're going to section the hair from the braid and try to create a fishtail. So what you do is you stop the braid and you go into a fishtail, you select the hair and you section the hair into two, and then you start the fishtail with the side hair from the back of the braid into a fishtail. So you go from French braid to fishtail. And then use a ponytail rubber band to secure the braid, leaving like 3 inches of the end of the hair. And then I like to tease the bottom hair, making it more messy. And then open up the fishtail, creating it more loose fishtail, not too tight. So the bottom kind of matches the mess of the top. We're going to go around and do the same on the other side. So then we take the other side, take your clip down and secure your French braid, retighten it. You're going to continue the French braid with the extensions that you clipped in, and it's going to go into a fishtail. So if you have any accessories you want to throw in there, some fake feathers, flowers, fake diamonds, whatever your heart desires, you could use this hairstyle to use any kind of accessory you'd like to use. All right guys, here you go. I hope you enjoyed the hairstyle and have fun, rock on, and have a great time.